In today's energy markets, let's take a look at natural gas futures. As we're looking at that front month future moving higher today, up about 2% currently at the 4.03 level, still holding that $4 handle today. Now, we're also experiencing rolling of positions from February into March, as March is now becoming the more actively traded future. February expiration will be next week, and then March will come on the board. Looking at those back month futures, basically sideways to slightly lower today, but when you look at the futures duration cycle, still holding near the top end of the range for those futures markets as we are moving through this expiration cycle. Looking at the driving factors today, a couple things influencing the market. Number one, still uncertainty surrounding demand from Europe as European markets continue to look for sources of natural gas. I think that's helped support the price action by and large the last couple of months, and exports to Europe continue to increase. But again, some uncertainties about the policy moving forward and the potential for other parts of the globe to start supplying natural gas to Europe. And overall, though, to this point, it does not appear to be the case, and so that is one of the driving factors, I think, holding natural gas higher over the last couple of months. Couple that with temperature fluctuations here in the U.S. Certainly getting into a period where we're going to see big fluctuations in temperature, but by and large, we're still seeing temperatures below normal pretty much across the board here in the U.S., and that's another factor, I think, contributing to why prices continue to hold at the top end of the range. Now, looking at the general trends, natural gas is trading slightly lower from where it has been, but when you look at the futures markets, pretty much in a range for the last couple of weeks. But from a longer term perspective, we are holding just off of better than 2-year highs at these levels. So natural gas is holding at the top end of the range for the last couple of years, even with a little bit of selling pressure here the last couple of days. But overall, price action continues to remain elevated and demand continues to remain elevated. Now, looking at WTI today, sideways price action coming down off of those recent highs and basically trading at about a 2-week low today at around the 74.60 level. So backing off from those recent highs. But again, overall, when you look at the energy complex, we're seeing prices holding near the highest levels in 2 years in natural gas, and the highest level for a couple months when you look at WTI, even though it has backed off here slightly the last couple of weeks.